Hi guys, there was a car explosion in the city of Liverpool in UK yesterday, the 15th of November. Okay, terrorists has packed a taxi with bomb and they tried to explode it at a hospital. Only one people were killed. I think the terrorist was killed in that incident. So there was a car explosion on the 15th of November in UK. And so far 4 people has been arrested in connection with this terror attack. Okay, you guys must have read it by now. You can do your own research online. Now guys, I will show you what I dreamed on the 4th of November last year, meaning 1 year, months to months. It has happened here actually in real life on the 15th of November. And see what I dreamed on the 4th of November 2020. Title is Explosion in UK or in any other country in Europe. Read it now. So it has happened in real life, pretty much the same thing, except that I thought there will be, I did not know how many people will be killed. So there was nothing like that, nothing came in my dream how many people were killed. In fact, 1 people were killed, only the perpetrator. But there will be houses and building damage. So guys, again, I will say the precision of this dream is still 75%. Thank you for watching, guys. Of course, apart from me, who will use things like that? Please watch it and share it with your friends and colleagues, okay? Thank you.